Welcome back to Usawa videos. Today I want to show you how to create projects and how project works in Usawa. To create project in Usawa, go to Process, then Projects, then click Create New Project. Select the contact or the customer name. You can also add customer. Let's say the primary contact is Mr. Shola. The company name is Ministry of Works. Federal Capital Territory, and save. Now, the name of the project. Lagos Abuja Express Road. Select the status of the project if it is active, completed, cancelled, hidden, active. Enter the contract number. Select the VAT rate. Enter the account type, the revenue. Then select the currency. We have dollar, we have naira. Select the start date, March 2024, and the end date is 2025, 31st March 2025. Enter the budget, that is the project amount. ₦500 million. You can estimate the budget rate per hour. You can also estimate hour per day or billing rate. Then save.